let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Now, Khopolo reports awards. Kabza the Small won 300,000 rands at the Metros as the biggest winner for the night at the 2024 Metro FM Music Awards with 4 trophies. Kabza won 50,000 for the 3 categories: Best Produced Album, Best Amapiano, Best Collaboration. He also won hashtag MMA24 Song of the Year, which came with 150,000 cash prize. Side note, Konje piano tracks have lots of people on them. I don't know if he will only share with Mtuzi or everybody credited on the album will get some cut. 6 artists credited on Soti Winner. Imithandazo. Yeah, guys, I love Kabza. I don't want to lie. That's why I'm reporting on this. Congratulations, Kabza. Hope you win more on the next coming Metro Awards.